First secret you can use to grow your Facebook page to monetization. If you follow these 4 things I wan mention for this video, in less than 3 months they go monetize you. You no go waste time on wetin myself dey use and e work perfectly for me. Number 1, create more than 1 Facebook page. Go create 2 Facebook page, make you grow the 2 together at the same time. Let's say for instance you get main page, you create your main page, you go still create fans page. You know understand? Now as you dey upload content for this one, dey post for the other one too. E no necessarily mean that one you go dey post videos. If you dey post your normal content for this one, while the other one you dey post viral content, you dey post the write-up and pictures for the other one. If you dey post between Ronaldo and Messi, who sabi play ball pass, their fans go dey argue for the comment section. Between Messi and Beyonce, who is more popular, people go dey argue. Between Davido and who sabi sing pass, their fans go dey argue. Before you look as time goes on, you go don grow the main page to 30,000 followers, while the other one don reach 20,000 followers. Now anytime you post content for this one, you go share and go the other one. Anytime you post content for the other one, you go share and come this one. You know understand? Like this video when I dey post, when I dey create now, I'll put up my page, we get 300k followers, and I still get extra 2 pages. The other one get 270,000 followers, while one get 170,000 followers. So if I post this video for here now, I go share am to the other page, share am to the other page. You know understand? Now you go see the reason. That's the only reason why be say you go see content creator will be say e dey 300k followers, and me I still get 300k followers. But if I post content and they get engagement pass am, go check wetin they tell you, make you verify. The secret is that na only 300k followers he get. As he post that video, na only those people wey dey follow get access to that. But me I go still share and go my other page wey be say I get followers for that side too. So those people go still share, they go still comment, they go still like. You see that secret? Nobody go tell you. Na me fit tell you that thing. And if you wan still run advert, the money wey you go charge for this other page go dey different from the money wey you go charge for the other page. That's to tell you say on another streams of income you know they create already. So, and as God dey do am too, if the 2 don already reach monetization, you fit still monetize this one, monetize this one. So you dey pack money for you, dey pack money for the other side. Brain work. Not be work hard pass, na work smart pass. You know understand? Then number 2, secret you can use to grow your Facebook page to monetization. Just dey post videos. Just dey pack content for there. Even if nobody is watching you, dey post. One day if you wake up now, one of your video don dey go viral. Na the secret about Facebook be that. Just dey post. Even if nobody dey watch, dey post. And the truth is that na your video wey person see when e like, na wetin go make am follow you. So if you no dey post video, wetin go make person follow you? So just dey post videos. And the truth is that Facebook, they no dey stupid. They watch everybody, they see your hard work, they know say this guy dey commit the time, and one day they go reward you with 1 video. And na one video, only 1 video wey go viral, and wetin one content creator need to take blow. One of my video wey blow, wey don just dey post, na with that take blow follow for social media. So you no even need plenty videos, just dey create, dey post, dey go. You know understand? And the truth is that when you don't even reach monetization, those your same video wey you create wey nobody watch, you fit still go download dem come go dey post again to use am take make money. Videos wey I create 3 years ago wey nobody watch, now they use it dey make money, and they download dem, they come upload. Anytime I no get content to post again, I fit go download that video come, I go upload that for there. People go still watch and I go still fetch me money. But the time when I take post am, when I take create am, e no give me 1 naira. But now we be say the platform already dey there, and these are they make money, so nothing really waste. So just dey give your best, they upload videos on a daily basis, back to back, and one day you go just wake up one of your video don full everywhere, e dey circulate. You know understand? Number 3 secret, learn how to put people for talk. As a content creator, if you no sabi put people for talk, you no go last for the internet. If you want to do everything perfect, you no want make person criticize you, you no want negative comment on your post, you no go last for the internet. So sometimes they deliberately make mistake. You know say this thing wey you do na mistake one person one no know, one I too know, Mr. I know everything, go the comment section go correct you. And that correct way they correct you, so na engagement. Now what you need be that you need to deliberately learn how to put people for talk. You get one of video when I make recently, when I upload about 4 days ago, when I say Billboard is richer than Davido, billionaire in dollars. Why Davido na millionaire in dollars? I know say Billord no reach half of Davido money, but people dey talk that thing, so I know say one person wey too know smart, wey too dey use Google, cause he go the comment section say oga Davido network na so, Billord network na so, Billord no get money pass Davido. I need that engagement for the video to go viral. So be smart, learn how to put people for talk. If not, you no go last for the internet. You know understand? This video wey I dey create now, as I create this video finish, I go watch am from start to ending before I go upload. I know my errors, I know my mistakes, but I go leave those mistakes purposely upload am like that, because I know say one Mr. Man wey too sabi English, wey wan mock me, wey wan feel like say I no know wetin I dey do, e better pass me, you go the comment section go correct me, and that correction wey dey correct me, dey feel say e dey shame me. I need that engagement, I need that comment for this video to go viral. So use your brain, learn how to put for top as a content creator, na secret wey nobody go tell you. Then number 4 secret, give back. Give back to the people who be saying they make you for the social media. If you don't get engagement already, say maybe you don't get like 100 comments, 200 people they comment on your videos, they don't engage, you don't get active followers so they engage with your content. Even if now 1,000 naira, if they give back to them, 2,000 naira, if now sub, they sub them. So let them know say this your support and they support me and they encourage them. If I tell you how much they burn on giveaway, anytime like this will be say I don't receive my pay from Facebook. Only God know how much they give on, and they see them for here. They give a lot of money, cash. I know people will be say I don't see buy phone for this platform. People will be say I don't see give away for 100,000. 50,000, 20,000, 10,000, 5,000, 15,000, and they credit back to back anytime I don't receive money monthly. So give back to the people who be saying that they make you, because without them, let's be honest, you for be nobody. You know understand? So we end up for here. If I never say that monetization link, comment I'm interested, make a send for you. But if I don't say for you before, no comment. You know understand? And also make una dey follow una sef back on the comment section. You know understand? I don't talk as if from now till December, at least make 100 people dey monetize. And for us to achieve that thing, una need to dey follow each other back. If let's say for instance, the followers wey dey follow me now na about 300k followers. If just 20% of the people wey dey follow me support una sef, if una support una sef, follow each other, that's to tell you say e no get as e be, una must reach monetization. And if you follow person but not your follow am back, they engage with the content, they watch the person content the same way you dey watch my content. Many content creators they will be say they even good pass me, but you say they never get platform. So now they feel like because I don't get platform now, na me call better pass. No, that person you still get something to learn from her. So wanna follow yourself back, they engage with the content, they share the person. Even if you don't like the content, share am, make you comment to take encourage the person. When I encourage yourself, take growth out, the money go fit reach everybody. You know understand? Follow back. Anybody will comment, follow that person back. Make you tell her make it follow you back. Wanna get that mentality of support. Make me use this my platform, take grow your platform. Use this my platform. Let's say for instance, half of the people they follow me, go they follow on self for there. You know get as we be say from now to December, now get 50,000 followers each among una. You know that, so we won't go to support people be say they already make them, but when I never make them for the Facebook, when I don't want support on ourselves. So wanna follow on ourselves back. Anybody will comment, follow me, tell them make it follow you back. Watch a video. I mean myself, anytime you post video, hashtag Gege or tag me. If I watch your content I like, I will see post for this my platform. Tell my followers me they follow you. You know understand? If you watch this video to this level, wait till I talk last. Gege, write my name in capital letter. One love.